Smart garden lighting is a great, easy way to control your outdoor lighting with the simple use of an app on your phone, allowing you to integrate all your individual lights, whether it's a spotlight, a path light, a deck light, or range of lighting. Holman has a whole range of outdoor smart lighting. So they include spotlights, path lights, solar lights, as well as deck lights. So the Holman Path Smart Lights are a really easy, cost-effective way to light your paths around your home that aren't usually illuminated at night. The Smart Garden Spotlights by Holman are a great way to accentuate certain features in your garden, whether it's screening or a feature tree or even a garden bed. So the Holman Bluetooth controller allows you to fully integrate all of your Holman outdoor lighting range. It simply syncs it to the iGardener app. You can turn them on and off, you can set up timers, sequences, a whole range of features, and even special effects, which is great for that party night. The Philips Hue Spotlight range is a great way to add splashes of colours to your garden and outdoor alfresco area with over 16 million colour choices. The Philips Hue Colour Bollard allows you to have 360 degrees of illumination. You also get 16 million colour options to beautify and add splashes of colour to your garden beds and pathways. The Philips Hue range is really simple to set up. You can integrate all your Philips Hue products into the one system just by using the Philips Hue Bridge. So there you have it, a selection of our smart garden lighting range, an easy and effective way to light your outdoor and alfresco area.